Macarons are a sweet meringue-based confection that originated in France. They are typically made with almond flour, egg whites, and powdered sugar, creating a delicate and crunchy exterior with a soft and chewy interior. Macarons are often filled with various flavored fillings, such as ganache, buttercream, or fruit preserves, making them a popular and colorful treat enjoyed worldwide. Macarons are commonly used as a delightful dessert or sweet treat. They are served on various occasions, such as parties, weddings, and other special events, as well as being a popular item in bakeries and cafes. Their vibrant colors and delicious flavors make them an attractive choice for gifts, party favors, or simply to satisfy one's sweet cravings. Some people also use macarons as a decorative element in dessert displays or to add a touch of elegance to afternoon tea gatherings. Let's go to the video, how to make macaroni in the easiest way. Here I make the meringue without boiling the sugar. Beat the sugar and egg whites well so that no sugar lumps form. Stay till the end of the video. If the video is good, comment to us, subscribe to the channel, share to others. Thank you for watching.
Okay. Ayun, Dad. My brother. Fucking colleague coming back.
Give me your mobile.